Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will build one Python project which is password generator tool, which is an easy tool to generate a random password for you. So by building this project, we will be able to enhance our programming skills and also revisit the Python basic concepts. So without further delay, let me show you the the end output what we are going to build, and then we will jump back and then start to build everything from scratch. So let me open my command prompt and then I will run that Python script, which is the password generator.py file. So it's a simple tool that will build a password for you. When I say password, you have to think like it's not something like your own password. It will be like a combination of characters like lowercase, uppercase, and then special characters and then digits. So what it will do is like it will generate a password for you with a combination of these things like the lowercase, uppercase, digits, and then special characters. So I have run the script and it is asking for how many passwords you need. So if you want one password, you can give one, or if you want to generate for a multiple peoples, you can give the number of password that you want. For now, I will select 3 and then enter, and it is asking enter the length of the password. Basically it is asking how many length you want. So I will give 12, and it is asking like, do you want special characters included in your password? It will be hard to think, remember that special character. So for now I am selecting no. And do you want uppercase included in your password? Yeah, that's fine for me. I'm selecting y. Yes. So it has generated a 3 password for me, and these are the passwords the tool generated, and these are specs. So what it is showing, like it, whether it has uppercase or special characters in it. So we have selected the uppercase can be included in our password, so that's why this uppercase is set to true. And for a special characters we have selected no, so that's why it is showing us false. Yeah, it's a simple tool, right? So you can create a number of password you want, and you can also customize it like by selecting special characters or uppercase characters. So yeah, this is a short introduction about what we are going to build, and let's jump and build this tool. Yeah, I have created a file, password generator.py file, and we are going to build that password generator tool. So yeah, before proceeding, like we can divide the requirement into 3 parts. Like first we have to get the user input details, like how many passwords they need, and what is the length of the password, and whether they need special characters and symbols in that password. So that will be a one set of work, and the next set of work is going to be like generate the password with the help of those details we got from user. And then finally we have to display the password generated with the specs. So let's start. Let me import string and secrets module, and let me create one function generate password, and it will accept password length, symbols, and start uppercase. Yes, parameters, and then we have to create the combinations, and we know that the password is going to be a combination of uppercase, lowercase, and digits, and then special characters. So the special characters and the uppercase, it's based on one flag, which is this symbols and uppercase. And if this symbols and uppercase is true, and based on that we will do. So but by default we will have the string low ASCII lowercase, and string digits. So this is the combination, and from that we are going to create a new password. And now we have to get these symbols and uppercase. So how we are going to do is like we are going to check if that symbols flag is set to true, and in case if that is true, then we are going to include the symbols in the combinations, which is string dot punctuations. And also if it is an uppercase, then we are going to include combinations. We are just concatenating string dot ASCII uppercase. So we have created the combination. Now we have the combinations like ASCII lowercase, digits, ASCII uppercase, and string punctuation. So let me run this file and we'll check how the combination look. So yeah, let's run it, and then we'll, yeah, before that I have to print it. So yeah, return combinations, and then print it. So yeah, let's run it. Let me clear the screen and have to get back to desktop because I have that file in my desktop. And Python password generated. Okay, it's missing. Yeah, okay, I've got, like, I have to miss the uh, arguments. So password length 10 and symbol is true. For now I'm just true. Yeah, clear it and run the file. So yeah, this is the combination. You can see, right, first A to Z, it's a lowercase, and then we are including digits, and then we are including the special characters, and finally the uppercase. So that's what we are doing here, right? First we are creating one variable combinations, and we are concatenating ASCII lowercase and digits. So that's what we did till this value. And then based on the flag, which is symbols and uppercase, we are concatenating punctuations and also uppercase. So based on the symbols and uppercase flag. So for now we have passed true. That's why we are have seeing the punctuations and also uppercase. So yeah, we have confirmed that everything is working fine till this stage. So let's build the actual password. So for that, what we are going to do is like we are going to create one uh, length variable, combinations length variable, which is the len of combinations. And then we are going to create a new password, or just name it as a password. And then it will be an empty string for now. So what we are going to do is like we are going to iterate a loop till the range of password length, which we are getting as a parameter. And then now what we have to do is like we have to every time it iterates, we have to select one random value from that combination, and we have to concatenate with the password variable we have. So what we are going to do is like we are going to um, concatenate with the password by selecting a random value from that combination. So for that, what we are going to do, like we are going to do string indexing. So we know that combination is a type of string, and we can access any particular value using the index position. So the index is going to be a random number, because that's how the tool needs to work. Like it has to generate a random combination of uppercase, lowercase, and digits and special characters. So for that, what we are going to do is like we are going to use help of a secret module. So what we are going to do is like we are going to use secrets dot ran below method, and then we are going to pass the combination length. So what it will give is like, so we have this, string combination. So, and also we know the length of that combination by checking the length of combinations. And what we are going to do is like, we are going to with the help of secrets.rand below method, we are going to select random digit, basically a length random number, and with the help of that number we are going to select the value from the combination string, and then we are going to append it, I mean concatenate with the password. So let me return the password now from this function. So yeah, this is the function which generate the password for you. So let's try that with these entries. So let me run it. Let me clear the screen and run the password generator. Yeah, it has generated one password with a length of 10, because we have given our password length as 10, and also we have included special characters and also uppercase. We have set the flag as true, so that's why it is considering those special characters and uppercase in this password. So we have uppercase here as well, and also we have some special characters. Let me change that length to 25, so that we can and this time I will I don't want any special characters in my password, so that's why I'm setting that flag as false. So now let me run this file now. So yeah, now you can see, right, the tool has generated password with a length of 25. And also, if you take a look at this value, it doesn't have any special characters, because we have set that special characters flag as false, the symbols flag as false. So that's why, in the combination it didn't included that special characters. So, and then hence we are not seeing any special characters in our generated password. So yeah, everything is working fine till that stage. So now what we are going to do is like, we are going to get the user information from user, like how many password they need, and what is the length of the password, and whether they need symbols and uppercase letters in the password or not. And based on that, we will call this function, and that will create a password for it. So let me, this is a script file, right? Let me create a name underscore equals main, and then here what I'm going to do is like, I'm going to print a message just for beautification, uh, password generator, and then let's get the user details, like number of password, just the int of input, and then we have to get the details, like whether they need symbols in the password or not. Oh yeah, before that we have to get the length. So let me uh, get the password length from the user, which is the input, int of input. The length of the password, and then now we have to check whether that user needs special characters in their password or not. So for that, what we are going to do is like, we are going to get the help of input function, and we are going to print a message like, do you need special characters included in your password. So this hash symbols variable is a flag, right? I mean, it will have a value of either true or false. So what we are going to do is, like, we are going to simply get y or n from user. So and also we are going to transform it to lower, and we are going to check if that value is y or not. So if it is y, then this particular statement will become true, and we will have a hash symbols flag as with the value of true. And if the user is entering something other than y, then we will have a hash symbol value as a no, which is false. So we are going to do the same thing for hash uppercase. It has to be snake case, not a camel case. Okay. I'm just lazy. Let me copy this and paste it here, because we are going to do the same thing for uppercase. So just okay. So seems like everything is good, and let's call the function with the values that we have now. So get, not get, generate password, and we are going to pass the password length, and as an argument, and the symbols, and as uppercase. So I will come to that number of password part later. So let's check whether this till this stage it is working fine or not. So yeah, let's run it and we'll see. I will clear my screen and then I will run the file. Yeah, we are getting a heading password generator, and it is asking how many passwords do you need. I will give two, because right now it won't work, because we haven't added a loop in before generate password. So it's not going to affect. And the length of the password, let me give 12. Yes, I need special characters. You need uppercase. Yes, I need a uppercase. Yeah, it has generated a password for us. You can see this is our password, and it has special characters as well, and also uppercase. So let's try again with a different scenario. Python password generator.py, and this time 2, and length of the password is 15. And this time I don't need special characters, and but I do need uppercase. Let's try now. Yeah, it has generated a password for us. This time it doesn't have any special character in it, but it does have uppercase, because we have selected yes for it. So yeah, this is working fine. Now let's go back and implement the number of password generation. So it's a simple, right? We have to iterate it, and we have to call this function again based on the user selection. So let's do that. So for that, what we are going to do is, like, we are going to use help of for loop, and we are going to use the range of number of password which we got from user, and then yeah, generate password. So I think this will do. Let's try test. Clear screen, and print the password generator. I want 4 password, 12. No, no. Okay, it's failing. Something is not working. Oh, it's not failing because I'm not printing it anything. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I may create one variable. New pass is empty, and just pointing it to new password, and then I will print new pass here. So yeah, let's run. I want 4 password with the length of 12, and no need, no. Yeah, it has generated a password for us, right? 4 password. So this piece of functionality is working. It asked how many password do you need. We have given 4, and it has created a 4 password for us. Yeah, everything is working fine. Now what we have to do is like we have to show some spec to user, so that they can understand whether that password has have special characters in it, and also uppercase character in it. So for that, what we are going to do is like we are going to create a check function. Like, let me show you that. So what we are going to do is like we are going to check whether that password contains symbol, and let me develop that function. So for character in password, if character in string dot punctuation, then return true. Else, if it comes out of iteration, we have to return false. Yeah, and similarly we have to create a one more function, check function, which is for uppercase. Should be lower, okay. And it will accept password as a argument, and then for character in password, and then if char dot is per, if it is return true, sorry, return true, okay, come on, else return false. Okay, we have created two check function. Let's use it. So once the new password is going to created, and I'm going to check the spec. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to create an f string, and uh, so that will check contains uppercase, and I'm going to pass the new password. And similarly we're going to check sorry, not outside of this one, yeah, symbol, special characters. So for that we have to call the contain symbol function by passing the password as a parameter. Yeah, sorry, think I'm used pointing to different one. So we have created a spec as well. So let's print the actual password. So for that, what you're going to do is like I'm going to create something like this, new pass with the specs in it. So yeah, let's test and check whether this is working fine or not. So so far I think true div is not needed. Yeah, I will import it. So yeah, so far we have you know developed, like we have created one function, generate password, and that will you know create a password for us. And also we have get user details from user, like number of password they need and the password length, and also has whether they need symbols in the password, and also whether they need uppercase letters included in the password or not. And based on that number of password, we are iterating it and calling the generate password function, and that will generate a password, new password for us. And also we are checking the newly created password has contains uppercase in it, or contains special characters in it, and based on that we are printing the new password with the spec in it. So let's test it and check whether it is working fine or not. So let me clear the screen and let me run the file. So yeah, it is asking number of password need. I will give 5 this time, and length of the password is 16. And yes, I want special character, and yes, I want uppercase in it. Yeah, it has generated a password for us. So you can see we have asked 5 password, and it has given us. And one, you can notice one thing, it is starting from 0. So let's make some changes in it. So let's put it like or else we can I plus 1 or something. Let's run it again. CLS 5 15. No, no. Yeah, now it is working fine. So everything is working fine so far. And because the spec, you can see like this password doesn't have any uppercase and doesn't have any special character in it. So that's why it is showing like the uppercase as false and special characters as false. Let's try with a different scenario. Like, let me run it again, and this time I will select my password and number of 15, and this time I want special character in my password but no uppercase. So yeah, it has generated a password for us. So if you look at the spec, the uppercase is false because we have selected uppercase in, can no need of uppercase, so that's why it is showing as false. But special characters we have selected yes, so that's why it's showing true in that spec. So yeah, that's the whole project, and let's add some beautification so that it will look nice. And let me add some new lines at here, and let me add one print statement here. Now let's run and see. Let me clear the screen and let's run the file again. Now we it's a little bit nicer, right? We are seeing some spaces between uh, the input fields. So let me give 5, enter the length of the password, that is 12, and I don't need any special characters, but I do need uppercase. So yeah, looks nice, right? So yeah, that's it. Using this password generator tool, you can generate a password for your any of your social media accounts, or any of your web, anything, for any website or anything you need, you can generate a password from here. So it's a useful tool, and you can build the tool on your own. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope this will really helpful to you, and I'm sure you can build the tool on your own. And if not, you can come and check this video again. And if you are like the video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.